Hello, I'm back again, and this is for the last time for the Tala's bag. I hope you had fun making it, and I have put all the videos into a playlist if you haven't found that out already, so you can watch them in order. But also, I have written out the pattern, and you actually get a bonus with this one because as I was writing it out, I forgot to take a photo of the floating corner. So when I came to writing out the pattern, I didn't have a picture of it. So you gained another bag. This one is just a little dog walking bag. You can put it on your wrist and keep holding on to the dog lead, or I put a G-clip on it. Hopefully you can see that little G-clip. Yep. So that you can clip it on your belt or whatever. I've made it the size that holds my phone, sunglasses, and maybe keys, or you can put it on your wrist and hang your keys off the G-clip. Your choice. So the instructions for that are also in the pattern. I just did it with the two colours, and I followed all the same written instructions, and I've just put the numbers down the bottom that you need to start and finish it. So that's a bonus for you. All right, and all the bags are finished. There's the 8-ply bag. This is the first one we started with. This is the one with the shortest handles. This is the 60cm handles. We have this one, which is like the pastel rainbow. And this one has the 80, not centimetres, 80 chain handle. And then lastly, we have the 2-colour 4-ply. With this one has 100 chain handles. So that one's a nice one for the shoulder. The other one's all right for the shoulder, but I think this one's better for the shoulder. Now, all of these bags will also be up for sale on my Ko-fi page, and I will put the link down below. Hopefully Mr. Techman can put it in for me, or I'll do it. I might be able to do it. We'll try. Yeah, so that will be the layer, but it will also be in the description so you can find it. And I would love to see any bags that you make with this pattern. I really would, especially if you use something different other than the cottons that I've used. That's the other thing I also put in the pattern. I've taken photos of all the labels of the yarns I've used on top of the bags that used them, just so you have some idea. I also put a scale photo in there so you can see how big each bag is. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this make-along. I did. I ended up with 5 bags now rather than the one I was just leaning on. So, and you got a lot of options, and please feel free to send me messages, write comments down below, any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you, and you can also write to me on my Facebook page and on my Instagram. They're all Yarn Zombie. You just look it up, look for the logo, it's right there. Please like, subscribe, and share. Sharing helps too. Lets more people see it. And I will see you. Oh, hang on. Nobody actually guessed the reference. So I'm going to put a picture at the end to the answer of why these bags were called Tala's bags. And you'll go, oh, of course. But anyway, you might get the link. If you get the link of why I've called it Tala's bag, put that also in the comments below. I'd love for somebody to guess it. And I will see you on the next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.